Anatomy review of the day. The abdominal aorta has 5 primary branches. From superior to inferior, we have the celiac axis or the celiac trunk, the superior mesenteric artery, the renal arteries, the inferior mesenteric artery, and finally, the common iliac arteries. The celiac axis has 3 branches in turn: the left gastric artery, the splenic artery, and the common hepatic artery. Our mnemonic to remember the 3 branches of the celiac axis is left hand side. L for the left gastric artery, H for the hepatic artery or the common hepatic artery, and S for the splenic artery. Anatomy review of the day.